In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear DNS cache in Microsoft Edge. If websites aren't loading correctly, keep redirecting to the wrong place, or show errors after a site has moved or updated, clearing the DNS cache in Edge can help. DNS, short for Domain Name System, is essentially the phone book of the Internet. Your browser keeps a local cache of recent lookups so it can load sites faster. Sometimes that cache gets outdated or corrupted, and a quick reset clears the confusion. Start by launching Microsoft Edge on your computer. It doesn't matter which page opens. We're going straight to a built-in diagnostics area inside the browser. Click into the address bar at the top of Edge, type edge/netinternals/DNS, and press Enter. This isn't a regular website. It's a special internal page for network tools inside Edge, and it's safe to use. You'll land on the DNS section. Look for the area labeled Host Resolver Cache. Below that, you'll see a button that says Clear Host Cache. Click that button. This action wipes the stored DNS entries, so Edge will fetch fresh information the next time you visit a site. It's instant and doesn't remove your bookmarks, history, or passwords, just the DNS lookups held by the browser. For a more thorough reset, it's often recommended to flush the socket pools as well. Sockets are the active connections Edge keeps open to websites to speed up browsing. If a connection is still using outdated DNS data, you might not see the benefit of clearing the cache until those connections reset. Flushing socket pools forces Edge to drop those active connections so new ones are created with the updated DNS info. If you have ongoing downloads or streaming, consider pausing them first, because this can momentarily interrupt active connections. In the same internal tools area, navigate to Sockets. Depending on your version of Edge, it may appear as a tab, a menu item, or a link in the sidebar. Once you're on the Sockets page, click the button labeled Flush Socket Pools. Again, this runs immediately and doesn't affect your saved data, only the live connections. That's all there is to it. You've cleared the DNS cache and refreshed Edge's network connections. If a site was being stubborn due to old DNS information, it should now load with the latest records. If you still notice issues, try reloading the page or opening a new tab to force a fresh connection. This quick maintenance step is safe to repeat whenever you suspect DNS confusion, especially after site migrations or network changes. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.